Discover the pinnacle of wave riding safety and convenience with our curated selection of the top 5 best surfboard leashes. Designed to provide unmatched durability, flexibility, and security, these leashes ensure you stay tethered to your board in the most challenging of conditions. From beginners to seasoned pros, find the perfect leash to enhance your surfing experience and keep you connected to the heart of the surf. Number 1. AbbaHub Premium Surfboard Leash. Experience tangle-free surfing with AbbaHub's Premium Surfboard Leash. This leash is available in 8 different colors and 5 different sizes to fit any kind of surfboard, ranging from skimboards, shortboards, fishboards, longboards, funboards, SUP, and paddleboards. It's made of a 7mm TPU cord for the utmost strength and durability. The included double anti-corrosive steel swivels ensure that the leash can spin freely and won't get tangled. Furthermore, the padded ankle cuff features a quick-release pull tab which makes it easy to detach yourself from the board when needed. Pros: strong polyurethane cord, stainless steel swivels, comfortable cuff with a thin leash. Cons: limited color choices. Number 2. BPS New Zealand Storm Surfboard Leash. If you want top-notch protection for surfing, check out the BPS New Zealand Storm Surfboard Leash. This leash is made to be extremely strong and reliable, with double stainless steel swivels and triple wrap rail savers for maximum durability. It also has precision molded fittings to ensure a secure fit. In fact, you can choose from 5 to 10 feet lengths with a 7.2mm or 8mm urethane cord so you can find the perfect leash setup for your individual needs. So, whether it's surfing or paddle boarding, you can experience peace of mind knowing that you have the best leash. Pros: superb durability, tangle-free design, full money-back guarantee. Cons: stiff in cold water. Number 3. SYMPL Premium Surfboard Leash. The SYMPL Premium Surfboard Leash is a great choice for surfers who want reliable protection. The leash features quick-release ankle cuffs that prevent it from breaking and leaving you to swim for your board. It's constructed of a lightweight urethane cord that reduces drag while you paddle out and has a secure fit around your ankle. Additionally, it offers leashes in sizes 5 feet, 6 feet, 7 feet, and 9 feet to fit most all types of surfboards, longboards, skimboards, and SUP paddleboards. For added convenience, we also feature double swivels on the ankle cuffs and rail saver ends of the leash cord so that you can be sure your surf leash won't get tangled or wrap around your surfboard. Pros: stylish aesthetic, high-strength Velcro, precision molded fittings. Cons: not a budget leash. Number 4. AQUARM Surfboard Leash. The AQUARM Surfboard Leash is designed to keep you safe and secure in challenging surf conditions so you can enjoy every session. This leash is created with a powerful 7mm urethane cord that is highly durable, tear-resistant, and strong enough to withstand big waves. You'll also appreciate the double swivels made from stainless steel for ultimate corrosion resistance even after extended exposure to seawater. For added safety, this leash features a 360-degree swivel function allowing for flexibility on your surfboard without affecting your mobility as a surfer. So, when it comes time to tackle those big waves or practice your tricks, you can rest assured that this surfboard leash will give you the protection and peace of mind you need while still offering maximum freedom. Pros: lightweight, quick release tab, flexible coil design. Cons: length not adjustable. Number 5. HEYTUR Coiled SUP Surfboard Leash. The HEYTUR Coiled SUP Surfboard Leash is the perfect solution for anyone who needs to stay secure and in control while out on the waves. This powerful 10-foot leash is made of 5mm quality urethane cord, making it incredibly lightweight yet super strong and reliable. Its classic telephone line design ensures more portability, effectiveness, flexibility, and improved safety across a range of water environments. Also, this leash is suitable for stand-up paddling, surfing, and kayaking, offering total freedom and mobility, allowing you to explore every wave with confidence and ease. The simple setup makes it easy to use, so you can just grab your board and go. Pros: the coiled design reduces drag. Double stainless steel swivels. Includes a waterproof wallet. Cons: the coil could overstretch.